Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to search using ChatGPT search. So, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in my Google Chrome. You can use any browser of your choice. Now I'm using this Google Chrome. And after that, over here on the search bar, search for chat.openai.com. Like this, you can see over here is chat.openai.com. Then after that, hit enter. You can see here is ChatGPT interface. Now over here you can see his icon of search the web. Just click on this. Now you can see I have clicked the search on web. And after this we can use ChatGPT as search engine. Now I'll go for best phone under $500 and hit enter. And you can see the response from ChatGPT search. Also, over here you can find the sources of this data. You can just click on the sources and on the right you can find the sources of this data. So in this way we can use ChatGPT search. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.